Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that caught our eye, the AROMA glass air fryer and countertop convection oven. We've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's dive into what makes this air fryer so special. The AROMA glass air fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the convenience of an air fryer with the functionality of a convection oven. Its standout feature is the 360 crispy technology, which utilizes powerful 360-degree heat circulation. This means you can achieve perfectly crispy and crunchy meals in just minutes, making it a fantastic option for busy households. One of the first things you'll notice about this air fryer is its stunning design. The glass pot not only looks elegant but also allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. This transparency helps prevent overcooking, so you can achieve that perfect level of crispiness every time. The sleek white finish and gold logo add a touch of sophistication, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop. Now, let's talk about size. The AROMA glass air fryer features a 3-quart frying basket, which is ideal for couples or individuals living in dorms. It's compact enough to fit on small kitchen counters while still providing ample cooking space for a variety of dishes. Whether you're whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or roasted vegetables, this air fryer has you covered. Efficiency is another key highlight of this appliance. With an adjustable 40-minute timer and suggested cooking durations for 5 popular air-fried dishes, you can easily set it and forget it while your food cooks to perfection. The cutting-edge air circulation technology ensures even cooking, so you won't have to worry about unevenly cooked meals anymore. One of the major reasons many people turn to air fryers is for healthier cooking options. The AROMA glass air fryer does not disappoint in this regard. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the added chemicals and unhealthy oils often found in traditional frying methods. Plus, cleaning it is a breeze. The premium glass design makes it easy to clean by hand or simply toss it in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking but doesn't want to spend hours in the kitchen, the AROMA glass air fryer is perfect for you. It caters to busy professionals, couples, and even college students who need a reliable, efficient cooking solution that takes up minimal space. It's also great for anyone looking to make healthier meal choices without sacrificing flavor. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and wanting to whip up a quick dinner. With the AROMA glass air fryer, you can have crispy chicken wings ready in under 30 minutes. Want to entertain friends? You can prepare a batch of perfectly golden fries or roasted veggies to serve alongside your favorite dip. It's also a fantastic option for meal prepping. You can batch cook various vegetables or proteins at the beginning of the week for quick lunches and dinners. In summary, the AROMA glass air fryer and countertop convection oven is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cooking while still enjoying delicious, crispy meals. With its innovative technology, elegant design, and ease of use, it's truly a game-changer in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.